On my way down to the hole, folks, and I just picked this one up off the surface. I don't know if it rolled out of the bank here somewhere, but after that rain or what. But it's got the measurements up the side. And it says Laboratories of Dominion Manufacturers Limited. It's a screw top. It's an interesting bottle. Alright, I'll hang on to it. Good day, folks. Back down to my go-to spot. Last time I was here, I was just getting into what seemed like a pretty good layer. So I'm going to get busy working at that again. I got a bit of work to do here. I got a couple hours of daylight. So that's good. And it's kind of cold here today. It's just a couple degrees above freezing. So I'm going to get as much done as I can while I'm still able to. So I'll get you back up on the first good find. See you in a bit. Hey guys, got you up real quick. Looks like a little white marble just rolled out. Let me see. Yeah, I'd say, yeah, it's a marble. Little tiny one. Thought it might have been a bead at first, but no, that's a marble. Alright, keep digging away here. Get you up on the next good one. Got another find, folks. I just about fired it down over the bank there. My talons pile, and I seen it, look. Salt or pepper shaker, but it's green. It's green glass. That's a nice little find. Glad I didn't huff that over the bank. Sweet. Maybe there's a second one in there too to match it. Alright, I'll keep digging away. Well, not having real good luck with the bottle so far, folks, but check it out. Another marble. Ooh, this is a nice one. Yeah, like that. Yeah, nice one. I get focused on that. Well, anyways, I'll get some pictures of it. Catch you on the next one. Okay, folks, I got a bottle showing here. Looks like it is ready to come out. It's not quite as deep as I wanted it to be. It'd be better if it was down here somewhere in that layer, but it's right there. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Maybe. Well, we got it. Looks like it's all together. It's a cork top. No embossing on that face. Something on the edge here. Buffalo, New York. And this side says R.V. Pierce M.D. And nothing on the back. Can't tell if the seam's right up to the top of it or not. I have to get it cleaned up, I suppose, to find out for sure. Yeah, I can see right there, it looks like it is. Alright, on to the next. Okay, folks, I got one more bottle here before I get out of here. It's too dark, I can't read it. It's obviously something from Montreal. It's a cork top. Don't know if it's blown or machine made. Also found that pepper sauce bottle or something there as well. Alright, I'm going to get out of here while I can still see to get through these alders. Alright, see you on the cleanup. Good day, everyone. Hope everybody's doing well today. Back with the recap. We'll start over here with this Laboratories of Dominion Manufacturers Limited. And I'm not sure what this held, but it's obviously some sort of chemical bottle. And I got that dated 1943. Kind of interesting. It was right on the surface on my way down to go digging. Here's a nice little bottle. Nerviline, prepared by the Catarozone Company, Montreal. The embossing on it's kind of faint, but it's hard to read. There it is. I like the neck on it. It's machine made. I figure it's from the 1920s or 30s. Most likely from the 20s because it looks like an older bottle. An R.V. Pierce MD bottle, Buffalo, New York. That's a nice big medicine bottle. 1920s or 30s. Next, a little tiny 3-in-1 oil bottle. Check it out. Yep, 1920s or 1930s. Then we have this blown bottle. It's the only blown one of the bunch here. And it's in kind of rough shape. I mean, it was right in the old rusty up layer there. Rusty old burn layer. The seam ends right above this ring around the base of the neck there. It's really too bad. It's a nice bottle and it's kind of like frosted. I don't know if that's due to the heat or if it was made that way. And next we got this little brown amber. It's got a Dominion glass mark on the bottom. It looks like it's a blown bottle, but it isn't. It's machine made. And kind of threw me for a loop there when I first seen it. Next we got a pepper sauce bottle. ABC markings on the bottom, which stand for Albion Bottling Company, 1929 to 1969. And this one's probably from the 30s. Check this out. I really like this little salt shaker. Green. Anchor Hocking, 1920s or 30s. It's in pretty good shape. And we got 2 milk and magnesia tablets bottles. They're always nice to find. And they were marketed from 1931 to the 1950s. And these ones are probably from the 30s or 40s. Now this little blue one here, I suspect is a Evening in Paris sample perfume bottle. And then we just got these other 2 interesting little shaped blue ones. Always like the blue ones. And finally, 3 more marbles. TOH will be happy to know that. We got marbles number 23, 24, and 25. This little peewee one. All 3 different sizes. And I'll put those right in that marble jar. That's a real nice one there. See if I'm getting shadow here. Check it out. Pretty nice. Actually, I might keep that out and take a couple pictures of it. Alright, so that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the hunt and the wrap up. We'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone.